This monster is a 1959 General Motors Detroit Diesel Series 671 diesel quad power unit. Instead of being a single massive engine, it utilizes a highly creative design. 4 legendary inline-6 engines working in unison to spin a common gearbox, creating a monstrous 24-cylinder configuration. Manufactured by the Walchand Cooper Group in Satara, India, this mechanical titan was the absolute backbone of rural Indian agriculture and early local industries. Prized for its ability to run reliably on cheap, heavy crude oil, this exact setup was widely used for heavy irrigation pumping and powering small sawmills. What makes the M50 truly unique is its high-speed, lightweight, all-aluminum design, which directly inherited the DNA of Soviet aviation diesel engines. This high-performance pedigree allowed it to power lightning-fast Soviet Navy torpedo boats, early hydrofoil passenger liners like the Raketa, and even experimental heavy tank prototypes like the massive 68-ton IS-7. This is a look at a true survivor of early American agricultural engineering, the legendary SAMSON SIEVE grip tractor engine. This massive piece of antique iron is a beautiful reminder of the days when displacement reigned supreme over RPM. This exact 1908 15-horsepower OTTO engine was custom ordered by the legendary Roebling family, the masterminds and wire rope manufacturers who built the iconic Brooklyn Bridge. It spent its working life pumping water on their mountaintop estate in Gladstone, New Jersey, before finding its way to the Cool Spring Power Museum. Named after Nicolaus Otto, the pioneer of the modern 4-stroke cycle, this Colombian model design dates back to its grand debut at the 1893 World's Fair in Chicago. Before the Ford Flathead V8 debuted in 1932, 8-cylinder power was a luxury reserved exclusively for high-end, expensive cars. Henry Ford disrupted the entire industry by bringing mass-produced affordable V8 performance to the everyday driver. Because it was cheap, lightweight, and incredibly easy to modify, it became the founding father of American hot rodding. What makes the W670 incredibly unique is its versatility. While it famously powered the legendary Boeing Stearman PT-17 biplane to train thousands of World War II Allied pilots, the military also ruggedized this air-cooled radial to power ground armor, including M2 light tanks, early M3 Stuarts, and LVT amphibious landing craft. Used across early 20th century farms, mines, and mills to power heavy grain threshers, this heavy-duty engine is famous for its unique starting sequence. Before magnetos took over, operators would pump fuel into the cylinder, roll the massive flywheels back to compress the mixture, and strike a wooden kitchen match inside a special mechanical plunger to ignite the charge and roar it to life. This two-stroke beast is famous for its unique uniflow design, requiring a roots-type blower just to breathe. Famously dubbed the Screaming Jimmy for its deafening roar, it powered Sherman tanks during World War II, landing crafts on D-Day, and iconic highway trucks like the rugged 1948 Mack LJ. Check out this incredible piece of agricultural history in action. This is the legendary 1916 Fairbanks Morse Model Z, a single-cylinder masterclass in early 20th century engineering. Introduced in September 1916, this early headless Model Z is incredibly unique because its cylinder and head were cast as one single, solid piece. These massive, reliable workhorses were the backbone of American farms, belted up to pump water, grind grain, and power heavy-duty wood buzzsaws. Introduced in 1931, the Gardner 3LW became legendary for its exceptional fuel economy, achieving around 37% thermal efficiency when many contemporary engines were far less efficient. Built like a battleship, this ultra-reliable diesel powered everything from coastal fishing boats to British buses, and later even found its way into some Scammell mechanical horses. helping keep Britain's transport moving through World War II and long after. This unique compound engine is a semi-diesel that uses a hot bulb ignition to vaporize heavy oils. It features an internal combustion piston directly in line with an air compressor cylinder, once supplying heavy-duty pneumatic power to a mining camp in Quartzsite, Arizona. What makes this engine unique is its Ricardo Whirlpool pre-combustion chamber, which drastically improved airflow and cold starting. Highly trusted, these robust power plants were widely used by British Railways to run emergency backup generators for early color light signaling systems.